Hi students, today we are going to discuss about lines and angles, 9th class 4th chapter, exercise 4.2, first bit. In the given figure, three lines AB, CD, EF intersecting at O. Find the values of x, y, z. It is being given that x is y is z equal 2 is 3 is 5. Solution. In the figure, three lines AB, CD, EF intersecting at O. AB, CD, EF intersected at O. X is to y is to z equal 2 is to 3 is to 5. Let x equal 2p, y equal 3p, z equal 5p. In the figure, angle FOB x degree, vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle AOE equal x degree. Angle FOB equal angle AOE. Therefore, vertically opposite angles are equal. You will get a straight line angle. X plus y plus z equal 180 degree. X equal 2p plus y equal 3p plus z equal 5p equal 180 degree. 2p plus 3p 5p, 5p plus 5p 10p equal 180 degree. P equal 180 by 10. 0 0 cancel. P equal 18. Substituting P value x, y, z. X equal 2p equal 2 into 18. 2 18 are 36. Y equal 3p equal 3 into 18. 3 18 are 54. Z equal 5p equal 5 into 18. 5 18 are 90. Find the x, y, z values equal 36, 54, 90. Second question. Find the value of x in the following figures. First bit. From the figure, angle AOB. Angle AOB equal to 3x plus 18 degree. Angle COB equal to 93 degree. Sum of two angles equal 180 degree. You will get a straight line. Angle AOB plus angle COB equal to 180 degree. Therefore, straight line angle. Angle AOB equal to 3x plus 18 degree plus angle COB equal to 93 degree equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 18 plus 93, 111 degree equal to 180 degree. 3x equal 111 degree transferring to right hand side. 180 degree minus 111 degree. 3x equal 180 minus 111 equal 69. X equal 69 by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. 23. Therefore, x equal 23 degree. Find the x value equal 23. Second bit, from the figure angle AOB equal to x minus 24 degree. Angle BOC equal 29 degree. Angle AOC equal 296 degree. You will get complete circle. Therefore, complete angle is 360 degree. Angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle AOC equal 360 degree. Angle AOB equal to x minus 24 degree plus angle BOC equal 29 degree plus angle AOC equal 296 degree equal 360 degree. X minus 24 degree plus 29 degree equal plus 5 degree plus 296 degree equal 360 degree. X plus 5 degree plus 296 degree equal 301 degree equal 360 degree. X equal 301 transposing to right hand side. 360 degree minus 301 degree equal 360 degree minus 301 equal 59. X equal 59 degree. Find the x value equal 59 degree. Third bit, in the figure AC and BD are intersect at O. Angle AOB equal 2 plus 3x degree. Angle COD equal 62 degree. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. Therefore, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertical opposite angles are equal. Angle AOB 2 plus 3x degree equals angle COD equals 62 degree. 3x equal 2 transposing to right hand side. 62 minus 2. 3x equal 62 minus 2 equals 60 degree. X equals 60 by 3. X equal 320 is 60. X equal 20 degree. Find the x value equal 20 degrees. Fourth bit, in the figure angle AOB equal 40 degree. Angle BOC equal 6x plus 2 degree. Sum of two angles equal 90 is called a complementary angles. Therefore, complementary angles equal 90 degree. Angle AOB plus angle BOC equal 90 degree. Angle AOB equal 40 degree plus angle BOC equal 6x plus 2 degree equal 90 degree. 6x plus 40 plus 2, 42 degree equal 90 degree. 6x equal plus 42 degree transposing to right hand side. 90 degree minus 42 degree. 6x equal 90 minus 42 48 degree. X equal 48 by 6 equal 6 8 ja 48. X equal 8 degrees. Find the x equal 8 degrees. Third bit, in the given figure, AB line and CD line intersect at O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal 70 degrees. Angle BOD equal 40 degrees. AB and CD intersect at O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equals 70 degrees. Angle BOD equal 40 degrees. Vertically opposite angles are equal. D equal 40 degrees. Angle AOC equal 40 degree. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal 70 degrees. Angle AOC equal 40 degrees plus angle BOE equal 70 degrees. Angle BOE equal 70 degrees minus 40 degrees. Angle BOE equal 70 minus 40, 30 degrees. Find the angle BOE equal 30 degrees. Angle BOE equal 30 degrees. You will get a straight line angle. Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal 180 degrees. Angle AOC 40 degrees plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal 30 degrees equal 180 degrees. Angle COE equal 40 plus 30 70, transposing to right hand side, 180 degree minus 70 degrees. Angle COE equal 180 minus 70 equal 110 degree. Reflex of angle COE equal 360 degree minus 110 degree equal 360 minus 110 equal 250. Reflex of angle COE equal 250 degree.